Alright guys, so this is a match and this is actually a gas light, a lighter with three functions. First of all, this works as a fidget spinner. Then you have a light here. Then finally you have a gas light. So it looks very beautiful, like a jet engine. It works. You can actually increase or decrease it from here. Okay, now let's see what we can do with this. I'm going to turn off my lights and I'm now going to test this. So okay, let's see this. Gas lighter. It cost only 50 taka, or in dollars you can see it's almost a few cents. So thank you so much for watching. That's it. See you till next time.